Welcome to ProGreen Canada. I'm Jerome Keys, and we have an important revenue opportunity for your business. What we have to offer is perfect for landscape construction and design companies, architectural design, condo maintenance, as well as individuals looking to launch their own low startup cost, low overhead business. I've been in this business for over 27 years, and I've seen it all. I can tell you right here and now, the opportunity today is like nothing we've seen in the past. The appetite for our products is higher than any other time. So I've created this video to attract quality business such as yourself to become a distributor of the finest USA-made artificial grass in the industry. I'd like to inform you why we can make this claim. Chinese-made products are flooding North America to meet the synthetic turf demand. But here's the rub. While these products are typically 70% cheaper, these cheaper prices are not being passed to you, the installer, nor the consumer. So the savings is non-existent. But worse, there are no controls on manufacturing in China like in the US. This means big problems with lead and other toxins greatly impacting our environment and health. Attached, you can find an article about the differences in how our products are lead-free and toxin-free, how our grass is 33% cooler, 400% greater drainage so pet urine doesn't become a nightmare, and how our golf greens act like the real thing. Find out about new breakthrough dual fiber, only supplied by ProGreen, that is the biggest game changer this industry has seen. We encourage you to get in touch and explore this wonderful opportunity.